Axor presents Concealed Elite Plus hinges. We will cover 3 steps in this video: installing the sash, adjusting concealed hinges, dismantling the sash. Step 1. Installing the sash. Turn the locking plate into equal parts of the stay arm and return the stay arm to their original position. Open the bottom hinge at an angle of approximately 5 to 10 degrees, focusing on the special label. Move the wrong operation safety device with sash lifter to the 0 position and turn the handle to the open position. Slightly opening the sash, install it on the bottom hinge. Open the sash at an angle of 90 degrees. Connect the frame part of the stay arm to the sash and close the locking plate. Turn the handle to the rotary position and close the window. Done. Step 2. Adjusting concealed hinges. The vertical adjustment of the sash is carried out on the bottom hinge. The horizontal adjustment of the sash is carried out on the bottom hinge and concealed stay arm. Turn the sash to the tilt mode after opening the sash. You will be able to adjust the sash on the clamp. Turn the eccentric. Use the mirror or the phone's front-facing camera. Turn the eccentric to adjust the sash clamp on the bottom hinge. Step 3. Dismantling the sash. Switch the sash to the ventilation mode. Unlock the locking plate and disconnect the frame and sash parts of the stay arm. Turn the handle to open mode. Lift and remove the sash.